Welcome to MBU, Moneybag University. In this video, I'm breaking down every channel inside our community step by step, so you know exactly how to get the most out of it. Tab 1, Welcome, Newsfeed 30s. This is the Welcome and Newsfeed tab. It's the very first place you land when you join MBU. Think of it like the front door of our community. Here you'll see all the important announcements, updates, and reminders posted for the group. Anytime we have big news, a new feature, or community-wide alerts, it shows up here first. Make sure you check this tab daily because it keeps you in the loop and connected with everything happening inside MBU. It's your quick way to stay current without having to scroll through every channel. This tab is where you get to know the story behind MBU. It's called My Story About Us Start because it gives you the foundation, who we are, why this community exists, and how you can get started on the right foot. If you're brand new, this is the first step. You'll learn what MBU stands for, the mission we're on, and how you can take advantage of the resources inside. It's designed to help you feel at home, inspired, and ready to dive into the steps of becoming a more confident trader. Here you'll find the beginner training material that helps you understand the basics of options trading, the stock market, and the mindset required to succeed. If you're new to trading or MBU, this is where you start. Step 1 gives you the structure and foundation you need to move forward with confidence. The Family Bank is step 2 of MBU, and it's one of our most powerful systems. This channel explains how to use dividends and long-term investments to build consistent passive income. The Family Bank isn't just about quick trades. It's about setting up financial security for yourself and your family. Everything here is designed to help you build wealth that works while you sleep. Step 3. Step 3 is additional education. This is where you go deeper. You'll find resources, lessons, and materials that expand on what you've already learned in steps 1 and 2. Think of it as the bonus library of MBU. If you want extra clarity or want to level up your skills, this is where you'll find that knowledge. Step 4. In Step 4, the Video Announcements tab, you'll get quick video updates from me and the team. These videos keep you plugged in visually and give context on what's happening in the market or in the community. If you like learning through video more than text, this is the spot to stay up to date. Day's Option. Here we highlight plays and setups that you can study and learn from. This doesn't mean chase every trade. It means you get to see live examples of how strategies come together. Over time, you'll notice patterns and gain confidence by watching how the setups unfold. The trading floor is step 6, and this is where the community comes alive. Here you can share ideas, ask questions, and watch how others are analyzing the market in real time. Think of it as the heartbeat of MBU. It's active, fast, and filled with collaboration. This is where you grow by being part of the group. Step 7. Step 7 is the Profit and Loss tab. This is where members post wins, lessons, and even losses. We celebrate victories, but we also learn from the challenges. It's important because it keeps things real. Trading isn't perfect, but every experience is a chance to grow. By sharing P&L, we build accountability and inspiration for everyone. Step 8 is the Family Bank Progress tab. Here we track the growth of our dividend portfolios and long-term investments. You'll see updates on progress, strategies, and milestones reached by the community. It's motivating to see how the Family Bank builds over time, and it shows the power of compounding in action. MBU Marketplace. The MBU Marketplace is where you'll find our merchandise, books, and other resources. Whether it's the Market Blueprint book, MBU apparel, or tools to help you stay locked in, this is where you can support the vision while repping the brand. Every purchase keeps the community growing. Day Trading. Bull and Bear. This tab is focused on day trading. It's where members share setups and quick moves for those who trade the market daily. If you want to practice spotting intraday patterns, or you're an active trader, this is where you plug in. Both bullish and bearish ideas are shared here, so you can see different perspectives. Big Loud Wolf. The Big Loud Wolf channel is designed for high conviction ideas and bold calls. When someone in the community sees a big opportunity, this is the place to lay it out. It's called Big Loud Wolf because these aren't quiet whispers. They're strong, confident plays for the community to review. Long-term investing. This tab is dedicated to long-term investing. It's about holding positions, collecting dividends, and letting time work in your favor. Not every move in the market has to be quick. Here, we focus on building wealth through patience and strategy, not just short-term trades. Swing trading. The swing trading tab is where we talk about trades that last from a few days to a few months. If you're not a day trader but also not looking to hold for years, this is your middle ground. It's a place to share setups, spot momentum shifts, and learn how to ride trends without rushing. Leap trade. The Leap Trade tab focuses on long-term options, contracts that expire 12 to 24 months out. These trades give you time to let your thesis play out. It's one of the smartest ways to trade options without getting shaken out by daily noise. If you want big growth with lower stress, this is where you learn. Crypto option. The crypto option tab is where we dive into digital assets and how option strategies can apply to crypto. If you're curious about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other coins, this is the place to learn how trading principles extend beyond the stock market. Next level. This channel is called Next Level because it's all about pushing yourself higher. It's designed for advanced discussions, deeper strategies, and challenging ideas that stretch your knowledge. Once you've built the basics, this is where you grow into a next level trader. Hall monitors. The Hall Monitors tab is all about keeping MBU safe and organized. These are the community leaders who help maintain order, answer questions, and keep the culture positive. It's not about control, it's about making sure everyone feels welcome and supported as they learn. Finally, we have the live room. This is where we come together in real time, whether it's group discussions, live trading calls, or community check-ins. It's your chance to connect directly, ask questions on the spot, and learn live with the MBU family.